Let us just discuss about what should you expect as an experience from an Ayurvedic doctor. I can put in a different way. It could be also communicated like what are the responsibilities of an Ayurvedic physician towards any health seeker willing to have a fantastic experience of Ayurvedic therapies or consultations whatsoever. The very first thing would be honesty, integrity. Realistic cure prospects need to be conveyed by your Ayurvedic physician based on his or her experience. And of course, that automatically means conveying to you the possibilities and the limitations of Ayurvedic engagement with you. The second one would be the discussion of roadmap of recovery. In how much time, with how much money involved, in how much of efforts does your health goal get achieved. Thirdly, would be discussing on the options of therapies, be it outpatient level, which is mostly with medicines had at home after prescription, or IPD, which is like therapy in a set environment of an hospital or whichever, or a healing center. The fourth would be the important element of checking on with your food list. What kind of food list are you daily involved with? A simple example for that, supposing a doctor doesn't verify your normal food list, it also means that if you have a situation of asthma, very common condition, or allergic rhinitis or such conditions of allergy, and you keep on having yogurt, etc., milk products at night after dinner, with dinner, you would never ever get rid of those respiratory allergies kind of situations, which means the reasons which precipitate the condition of ill health is still being carried on. This is a simple example relate to it. The next heading would be a thorough understanding of your lifestyle, basically observing your, or rather analyzing your starting of the day onwards till the finishing point, from getting up till the sleep time. This needs a thorough understanding and assessment. A simple example, there are many people who never get rid of their eternal sneezing and respiratory difficulties and chronic indigestions, etc. conditions, just because they have very simple faulty habit of having shower after having dinner, which is totally contraindicated in Ayurveda. A simple example to narrate. So this is another example where I would relate to this lifestyle assessment having implication to your health. The next would be, how does the doctor make a plan for you, and how does he alter this food and lifestyle aspects for you? This is also of paramount importance.